write the answers and upload it. So how many of you are having trouble with AIS in section A? Pardon?
Sir, I have two the problem in AI.
You are not audible enough. Yes, come again. Who was that?
Hello, sir. This is Akash.
हाँ आकाश बोलिए.
Sir, I have two the problem in AIS.
You are facing trouble in AIS?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you using this AIS? Are you opening this AIS in Mozilla Firefox?
In Internet Explorer, sir.
No, in Internet Explorer it will not work, na. So this is obvious to everyone.
No, sir. It's working previously, but not not now.
No. Our AIS Hibiscus system is not meant for this. You try it in Mozilla
Okay, sir.
Firefox. Means
Okay, sir.
Firefox. You have to open your AIS in Firefox. It will immediately open, and there will no problem in it. Is it clear to everyone? Obronil. So the people, are you there,
Yes,
Obronil?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have heard, sir. Yes, sir. In Internet Explorer, it does not open properly.
Not even in Google Chrome also. It will not. This particular app Hibiscus is meant for Firefox. You have to be very careful about it. It is not like that. I mean, sometime it will work, sometime it will not work. If you go in other browsers, the only recommended default browser for opening AIS Hibiscus is Mozilla Firefox. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
I have confirmed it right 5-10 minutes back with our IT team. I called Nagmani ji as well. So what they have said that it must be opened in Firefox, and it has been communicated many times to all of you. So please do not, means for this reason, controller of examination not allowing to have a quiz over this AIS. Now it is going to be difficult for you because we are not going to take this thing in AIS. So I have to put some subjective questions, and you have to give us answers in your sheets. So it will not be a multiple choice question anymore. You understand? So let me speak to controller of examination once more, but please confirm that whether you are able to log in or not, because it will be difficult for us to set questions again and again for you, no? And it will not work like that. So if someone on the exam day says that I am unable to submit the answer in AIS, then all of us will be in a difficult situation. You understand my point, na? So that is why we are taking it out of AIS.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, the midterm exam or the final term exam that we will write, the subjective paper, that we will not submit through the AIS. That we will have a Google link, a form where we have to submit.
I know.
Like that will be dispatched from the COE office.
I know.
Or we will mail you. So, sir, that AIS is not.
Yeah, I know, Obronil. So we are not using AIS only in case of BCom first year. Otherwise, for MBA and other exams, so we are using AIS only. Because in AIS, the evaluation become very fast, and of course, the exam process, giving exam is becoming very smooth in AIS. But here you will have a lot of difficulties. First, you have to write yes or no. Here you have to write in a paper.
Yes, sir.
Once you write, then you have to scan it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And once you scan it, you have to transfer it to your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Then again, you have to upload it into another platform, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whereas in AIS, what happens that you can directly select your correct answer and then you will get your evaluation report. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is the problem that we have here. So no worries. Let's see. We will do it in that way only. The way COE is. I'll speak to COE once. Do anyone have COE's number? Because I got one number of Mr. Dheer, but his number is not reachable. Do you have any other number of Mr. Dheer? Students? You don't have? Okay, no problem. I'll find him. I'll find him. I'll speak how it can be tackled. Okay, so let me take your attendance first.